Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to dare to share with you how you can create your virtual classroom to be interactive, clickable, and this way allow your students to access all that they need from one place. If you're interested to learn more about this, just keep on watching. So, when your students come into your virtual classroom, first you will have to teach them how to interact with their classroom, how to access things that you want them to get to and open. This particular classroom, just for demonstration, has link attached to biblical integration. Another link is attached to objective, and I also have a video attached onto this screen. Now, we need to tell our students that when they hover their mouse, their cursor above certain areas on the slide, and the cursor turns into a hand, they need to click on that and they'll be taken to another place. So if they click on this biblical integration, they will be taken to this image, which could be a great opener for conversation. Students could have an opportunity to talk about the story of David and Goliath. The topic is narrative writing, so they could practice narrating of a story and engage into great activity, which would help them to get into the writing process. So that would be a great biblical integration for narrative writing. Now, I have also link for the objective. So if they click on the objective folder, they will be taken to an image that has the objectives listed for them. Now, this video is going to be about how you can hyperlink images to your slide. You might not always want to share a whole Google document with students and you just want to simplify it and just display it to them via image. So this will be a great way to do that. In part two, I will show you how you can hyperlink video to your slide. And in part three, I can show you how you can hyperlink your Google Documents, Google Forms, and Google Slides. Now, if you're interested to learn about how I attach this GIF into my slide, I have a video about that. I'll have the link for you here. Why don't we hyperlink this slide? Just for the demonstration, I'm going to only hyperlink this text, God is in control and God loves us. So first we have to find picture that we want to go with God is in control. Maybe we can search the Romans 8:28 verse that will go perfectly with the God is in control. Find your image you like. I like this one. And in order for me to get the link, I will have to save the image to my computer first, and then I have a Chromebook, so it's a different way to save images. Okay, I'll leave it Romans 8:28, save it. And in order to get the link for this image, because I need to link it, right? So I need to save this in my drive. So I'll upload the image to my drive. To upload the image to drive, just click on New, File Upload, find it in your computer. And we'll open, and now it's going to upload to your drive. Once it's uploaded, you're just going to search for it in your drive. Romans. Let's open the picture. Now we're gonna go to these three dots, snowman dots, and we'll go to share. Make sure that your permission settings are set for anyone on the internet with this link can view. If you don't have it this way, please make sure you change that over here. This is really important step, otherwise your students will not be able to open it. So now copy link. Now we're gonna go back to our slide, highlight our text that we want to hyperlink. So I'm going to highlight God is in control. Now you can do Control K, just easier, just a shortcut, and you will paste your link and apply it. Now this is now hyperlinked already. Now let's also try this God loves us. I'm going to just hyperlink the heart, okay? Now for that, let's look for Isaiah 43:4. I think this is a beautiful verse that it's going to remind our students how much God loves them. It is. You are precious in my eyes and honored, and I love you. Now again, we're going to right click, save image as. Now I'm back on my computer, as you can see. So here it's what you're used to looking at. I'll keep it the way it is. We'll save it. Now we're going to go back to my drive, and I need to upload it again to Drive so I can get my link. File upload is this one. Open. Once it's downloaded again, remember the step is to search it. So you can just go to your recent files that you uploaded to your or received into your drive. Here's my download one. Again, we go to Snowman, Share, and again, you see here I have restricted, only people added can open with this link. So I need to change that. I don't want this to be that. So we need to change the link to that we want anyone with the link to have access to this image. And now we want to copy the link. Permission is updated. Link is copied. Click done. Now we can go back to our heart that we want to hyperlink. Now remember here the trick is to highlight. And now we're just going to do Control K. And we will do Control V to paste the link and apply it. And now our heart is hyperlinked for our students, and they get to read this beautiful verse. Now if you go to presentation mode, I already hyperlinked all the other text on the slide. So when students are hovering their mouse over your virtual classroom slide, then students can see that this is hyperlinked and read the beautiful verse that you had for them linked. Something like this even. Now I'm gonna leave you all with this beautiful verse, and hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Remember to watch my next video. I have a very cool tip on how you can post this to your Schoology interface. Now, as you can see, this one doesn't have the black frame, and this one does. So watch out for the video that will explain you how you can upload this to your Schoology without this black frame. Thank you everyone for watching. Be safe. God bless you.